This peach galette recipe is perfect in every way, with a buttery flaky crust, flavorful almond filling and full of sweet juicy peaches. You're on Sweets and Sweets channel, my name is Annie and let's start. For the crust we need frozen unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, cold milk, sugar, salt and baking powder. Combine together flour, salt, sugar and baking powder. Place it on your working surface. Grate the frozen butter into a flour. Combine it with flour. Add cold milk and form the dough. Divide it into 3 equal pieces. Roll each dough ball out into a flat circle about 3 to 4 mm thick. Use 2 pieces of a baking paper to do it. Using a baking ring, cut the circle 18 cm diameter. You can also use a plate or a lid. Do the same with all dough balls. The last fourth crust will be formed from the dough trimmings. Refrigerate the crusts for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make an almond filling. For that we need 1 egg, almond flour, sugar, unsalted butter. All ingredients must be room temperature. In a mixing bowl, combine egg, sugar, butter and beat it until smooth. Add almond flour and mix it well. Refrigerate it for 5 to 10 minutes. Cut the peaches. Place 1/4 part of the cream on each crust and spread it evenly, leaving about 4 cm from the edges. Place the peaches on top. Fold the edges of the galette up and over the peaches, pinching the overlapping edges together to form a nice seal. Brush the crust with beaten egg yolk and sprinkle with almond flakes. Bake it for 30 to 35 minutes in the preheated oven to 180 degrees. And that's it. Enjoy every bite of it.